Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search for Gmail app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you should turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.